Hi, I'm Cha. I'm a teacher and a financial advisor. I'm actually a part-time senior high school teacher. Dahil wala po akong pasok this afternoon, minabuti kong pumunta sa Sun Life office namin dito sa Iloilo to get the copy of my client's insurance policy. Yay! These are the policies na i-deliver ko this week. Yung isa, ipapadeliver ko through LBC dahil taga Bataan yung client ko. He's working in Manila, pero sabi niya, sa Bataan ko daw ipapadeliver. And yung isa is dito sa Iloilo. Probably will meet either sa Baratak Nuevo, kung saan siya nagtuturo, or dito sa city, kung saan kumukuha ata siya ng master's degree niya. I-discuss ko lang ng saglit yung mga kinuha nilang policy. Yung isa, he's a doctor. His forte is in medical research. So yung kinuha niyang policy is Sun Life Secure Income. Ito yung product ni Sun Life kung saan makakuha ka ng annual endowment or annual payout from the end of your 6th year hanggang age 100. Yung makukuha mo is 6% ng iyong face amount. Halimbawa, yung face amount mo is 500k. Sa policy na to or sa plan na to, yung insurance coverage mo is times 2 ng face amount mo. If the client's face amount is 500k, yung insurance coverage niya is 1 million. Yung 1M na yun yung mapupunta sa beneficiaries niya. And then yung makukuha ng endowment or guaranteed cash benefits na makukuha niya every year is 6% nung 500k, which is 30,000. He may choose to get that 30,000 every year or he may also choose to accumulate it. Stay niya lang dyan sa Sun Life and maybe kukunin niya by age 60 niya after 20 years or 30 years. So ipapa-accumulate niya lang dyan yung pera for it to grow also. Pwede niya niyang gamitin for his retirement. This client was a college friend of mine, so halos magkapareho lang kami ng edad. So nasa 80, joke lang. He may use his accumulated endowment when he retires. Halimbawa, kinuha niya by age 60, lahat ng na-accumulate na endowment from the end of 6th year ng policy niya hanggang age 60 years old siya, makukuha niya yon. And then, by age 61, makakuha ulit siya ng 30,000 hanggang mag-age 100 siya. Another feature ng policy na ito is he can get a centenarian bonus. Here, he can also have an advanced portion of his insurance benefit, which is 25% of the face amount. So aside doon sa lifetime niya na guaranteed cash benefit, makaka-receive pa siya ng centenarian bonus. Ano ito? This is 25% of his face amount na matatanggap niya by age 80, 85, 90, and 95. So parang advance yun sa kanyang insurance coverage. Other benefits, you will have non-guaranteed dividends. It's still a cash benefit pero hindi lang siya guaranteed in a way na hindi mo alam kung magkano ang matatanggap mo. Parang bonus na lang siya na cash benefits. This is good for people to prepare for their retirement. Reality of life, pag nag-retire tayo, hindi natatapos ang gastos kahit na wala na tayong income or hindi na tayo working. Number 2, yung teacher, yung kinuha niya naman is Sun Fit and Well Advantage. This is the most extensive policy of Sun Life when it comes to health. So this is a health insurance. Bakit most extensive? Kasi covered nito yung 114 critical illnesses, 64 major critical illnesses, 34 minor critical illnesses, and 16 specific cancer conditions. So, halimbawa, si client, coverage niya is 500k. And then nagkaroon siya ng major critical illness. So yung 500k na yon mapupunta sa kanya. So pwede kang makaklaim ng one major critical illness, that's 100% of your coverage or natitirang coverage. You can also claim until up to 3 minor critical illnesses. I'll give you an example. Halimbawa, si client at nagka-major critical illness siya by age 14. Naku, huwag naman sana. Yung 500k na hindi pa nababawasan, yun yung mapupunta sa kanya. Buo na 500k. Wala na yung insurance niya. Nagamit na niya. Binigay na sa kanya. Another scenario, nagkaroon siya ng minor critical illness. Makakuha siya ng 20% ng kanyang face amount. Yung face amount niya is 500k at hindi pa yun nababawasan. Yung 20% nun, which is 100,000, yun yung mapupunta sa kanya once na-diagnose siya ng unang minor critical illness. So she can claim until 3 minor critical illnesses. Halimbawa, nagkaroon ulit siya by age 50 ng another minor critical illness, bibigyan ulit siya ng 100,000. And then, by age 60, nagkaroon siya ng major critical illness. 500 na nabawasan na ng 200k, 300 na lang yung natitira. Yung 300 na yun yung ibig ibibigay sa kanya the moment na na-diagnose siya ng major critical illness. Pero syempre, health is wealth pa rin dapat. Sabi nga ng ate ko, insurance is one thing that you have to apply for, pero you are wishing that you will never use. Kahit prepared tayo, ayaw pa rin naman nating magkasakit. Health is wealth pa rin. Now, pag wala siyang sakit in her lifetime, and then the worst happened, which is death, knock, 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 yung 500k na yon na hindi na babawasan, yun yung mapupunta sa beneficiaries niya. Aside from the critical illnesses na coverage, meron din guaranteed cash benefit, 5% ng kanyang face amount. So, halimbawa again, face amount niya is 500k, yung 5% na yon is 25,000. Bibigyan siya ng 25,000 for 8 consecutive years from age 65 hanggang age 73. Parang pang-retirement niya na din. Very good ang policy na to sa mga gustong kumuha for health. We, your financial advisors, encourage you to get insured talaga. Habang kaya mo pa, habang bata ka pa, sa damuhan hindi, joke lang. Habang bata pa tayo, kumuha na tayo ng insurance. Talk to your financial advisor. Mag-reply ka na sa nangungulit sa'yo. Pag wala ka pang financial advisor, you can message me. If you're around the city here in Iloilo, we can discuss it over coffee. Kapag hindi naman, mas convenient sa'yo yung online, pwede naman tayong mag-meet online. So let's figure out yung tamang insurance for you na swak sa needs mo, goals mo, and syempre, sa budget mo. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat and I'll see you again next video.
Habang bata pa, sa damuhan maghabulan, magtampisaw sa ulan.